In today's trending news, just 3 hours ago, Mike Tyson and Jake Paul have both been suspended from boxing after what's considered a controversial Netflix fight. Now, a lot of people are talking about the fight and whether it was a real fight or not. Well, it looked more like a sparring match. It looked like two people who wanted to take it easy on each other and actually got paid pretty good to do that. Now, when it comes to this suspension, 24 days, don't get worried. Now, this right here is because in Texas actually has a law that states that when it comes to boxing, for every round that a fighter fights, they have to take a mandatory 3-day rest period. So for Jake Paul and Mike Tyson, that would be 24 days. Now for Mike, that's probably not a problem. And for Jake, that's probably not a problem either. Most fighters usually don't fight twice in 1 month anyway. So this right here is something that's standard. But I want to show you guys something that's not really standard, but that's kind of out of the ordinary. Something that's kind of weird. And let me just show you guys what it is right now. So what I have here for you guys is what I call my 10-point checklist for beginner affiliate marketers. So the weird part about this is that it's not just a standard PDF, one of those things that you get in somebody's bio when they give you a free giveaway and it's just 10 simple steps. This right here is a complete 10-point checklist that gives you deep dive information into helping you build a profitable and successful affiliate marketing business. Now, these 10 steps, even though this is a step-by-step guide, I want you to know that it's going to take work and effort and commitment for anyone to be successful in this industry. But I wanted you to have this as a free bonus so that we can see if this really is for you before you make any type of investment. Now, along with this document, there's going to be some videos so that you can watch, because I want you to have a full range of information. I want you to know that there's written information that you can learn from, and you also have a mentor and coach that's willing to actually create video content to help you along the way. So with that, I hope to see you guys in the next training video and in the next trending video story. And hopefully you'll be getting your 10-point checklist for beginner affiliate marketers by commenting ready, and I'll send you the link directly to your inbox. With that, I hope to see you guys in the next video.
Every place isn't a happy place in animated life. Meet Redhead Fred. In this quiet resting place of souls, not all stories are laid to rest. Some find a voice long after the dirt has settled.
Come closer, Fred. Secrets have a way of finding you. I know your sins, Redhead Fred, but today I tell you of another.